ITIL serves value system. Before the process, before the practice, before the ticket ever opens, there is a system. Section 4.1 asks one big question. How does an organization turn demand and opportunity into value? And ITIL 4 answers without silos, without fragments, without isolated effort. It answers with a system where everything works together. What is the service value system? The service value system, the SVS, is the big picture. It describes how all the parts of an organization move together to create value. Not just tasks, not just teams, not just tools. The SVS shows how ideas enter, how work flows, how value is created with customers and stakeholders. Think of it like this. The SVS is the operating system for service management, inputs and outputs. Every system needs a starting point. The SVS begins with two things: opportunity and demand. Opportunity, a chance to improve, a chance to build something new. Demand, a request, a need, a problem asking for resolution. Users want faster incident fixes. The business wants a new CRM, that's the input. And the output, not a product, not a report, not a handoff. The output is value. And here's the exam truth, say it slow. Value is not delivered, value is co-created. It happens through collaboration. The 5 components of the SVS, 5 parts, one system, always connected. Guiding principles, governance, service value chain, practices, continual improvement. You don't memorize them, you understand how they move together. Guiding principles, how we think. Guiding principles shape behavior. They guide decisions at every level. They don't live in a binder, they live in the moment of choice. Before automating a request, the team asked, are we focused on value? Are we starting where we are? Can we optimize before automating? Guiding principles are not instructions, they're direction. Say it clearly. Guiding principles, how we think. Governance, who decides. Governance sets the direction. It defines accountability. It ensures policies are followed, performance is measured, and compliance is maintained. From the board to executives to management, governance answers one question: who decides and who is accountable? Security rules, regulatory compliance, performance reviews. Governance is the guardrail that keeps value aligned with purpose. Service value chain, how work flows. This is the engine. The service value chain turns demand into value. Who sits connected activities? Plan, improve, engage, design and transition, attain, build, deliver and support. Not linear, not rigid, flexible, responsive. A service is planned, built, delivered and improved based on real feedback. Say it like a rhythm. SVC, how work flows. Practices, how we do the work. Practices give us the ability to act. Skills, processes, tools, resources, incident management, change enablement, service desk, monitoring, independent management, and incident hits. Monitoring detects it. Incident management discovers service. Knowledge management supports the fix. Practices make work possible. Say it clean. Practices how we do the work. Continual improvement, how we get better. Nothing stands still. Continual improvement. Soar. Services evolve. Practices mature. Learning never stops. After a major incident review, identify improvement, implement change, measure results, not once, always. Continual improvement applies to services, practices, and SBS itself. Say it with intention. Continual improvement, how we get better, how it all works together. This is the goal. Guiding principles shape decisions. Governance provide direction. The value chain moves work. Practices enable action. Continual improvement keeps it relevant. None of them work alone. Together they turn demand into value. The memory niche. Remember this phrase. The governance creates perfect continuous value. Or see it as a wheel. The SVS is the wheel. Value is the motion. Each component is a scope. Break one, the wheel wobbles together, the system booms. Hell eats the motion. Hell eats the motion. Each component is a spoke. Break one, the wheel wobbles together.